Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to set up this laptop without a Microsoft account. So first of all, do not connect to the internet, and if you are already connected to some network, then either turn off the router if you have access to it, and in case you don't have access to it, you can just leave the place and stay in the area where the router signal is unreachable. And once you do that, proceed with the following actions. First of all, use the combination of two keys on your keyboard, Shift and F10. Press both of them simultaneously, and once you see the CMD window, press Alt tab to switch to it. Now in the following window, you're gonna have to enter the command OBE \bypass and RO. Press enter and wait until your device is restarted. And once the laptop is restarted, begin by selecting the installation language, then click continue. On the following page, select right country or region, and once you do that, click yes, and then select the preferable keyboard layout or input method, click yes. Then if you want to add a second keyboard layout, select add layout and proceed by adding a different layout to your keyboard, and then click next, otherwise click skip. And now instead of connecting to a network, select I don't have internet option next to the next icon right here, and then select continue with limited setup, then read and accept the license agreement by clicking accept. On the following page, enter the username for your account, press enter. Then you can create a password for your account if you want to, but you don't actually have to do this. You can leave this field empty and click next. Otherwise, you can create a password using this field. Now choose some privacy settings for your device. If you want to disable any feature listed here, just switch the toggle to the left next to it. Location lets you get experiences like weather, directions, and news. Find My Device feature lets you find your laptop easily in case it gets lost or stolen. Diagnostic data sends info about your device's usage to Microsoft for research. Inking and typing sends your data to Microsoft for researching your typing behaviors. And tailored experiences basically sends personalizes ads for you. Yeah, that's what it does. So switch the toggles to the left next to the options that you don't need, and then click accept once you're content with your choice. Then wait a moment. And at this point the setup is finished. So if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.